Hey gems, this is Brittney Giselle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and once you're done watching this video, go like and comment on some of my other videos. So this one, listen, this buying a new big ticket item experience was stressful to begin with, and this vlog actually begins like midway through after I realized I should have been vlogging this experience. But nonetheless, you're gonna see, kind of what it turned out to be. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I just needed to get on here and vlog this moment real quick because I am so upset and I want to cry so bad right now, and I'm holding it in. I'm trying to be strong and not be a crybaby. I had ordered new couches. I was so excited about them. I've been shopping for couches, saving for new couches for a very long time, just because they're, pricier. So I kept putting money aside, and I finally found a nice small one that I liked. I paid a very decent price for it. I got a really good deal on it. They got delivered today. Well, it got delivered today. It was a sectional. It didn't fit in my hallway. It didn't fit. It's a sectional, so it's like, but it's a sectional that doesn't split, so it's a little bit bigger than, I guess, a normal couch, because it's like, I don't know, but it didn't fit. They couldn't turn it in my hallway, and then it wouldn't stand up on its like long side. So because it couldn't stand up on its long side, there's no way that they could have like got it down my hallway, and my hallway is very narrow, so there's just no way. I have an elevator, but if it's not tall enough to stand in the elevator, can't get it that way. There are stairs, but if it's not tall enough to get it in the doorway and maneuver it around the stairs, can't get it in. So now I gotta go get a refund. I am so upset. I really want to cry, but I'm gonna go back, get my refund, and I guess I'm back to shopping. I looked at Amazon. Amazon had a lot of very nice options as far as styles and the colors I was going for, but they're small. Like, they're small. I read the reviews. They're not comfortable. They're like not, they're small as in low. They're small as in it's not wide enough for your ass to sit on. And I'm upset. Just want to share that. Now, about a month or so later, I finally got my couches. They have arrived after what it feels like trying out a million couches, going to 1,000 stores, going through the ups and downs and highs and lows of the finances and delivery. And it was a lot. It definitely was a lot to take in and to experience, but I'm so happy with my purchase. I'm glad that it's here and I can finally decorate and be settled back in, because we didn't have couches for a month. I had sold the old ones and we were couchless. Kyron was sitting on one chair in the middle of the living room with that carpet, and that was it for a long time. So I'm so happy that they're finally here. So it is here. It made it. There's a huge mess going on here that I need to clean up. I'm gonna wait for Kyron to get home to help me, but in the process of it all, one of the guys that was helping knocked my lamp over, so I'm about to go hang that up and then clean the space up a little bit, do my thing, and I'm gonna come back and show you what I decorate and how I splash it up. So I got my new couches. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited, yes. So I got them. We're gonna go ahead and decorate them. I thought I got more new stuff for them, but apparently I didn't. So we're gonna go ahead and combine some of the old stuff, some of the new stuff, and we're gonna zhuzh it up. We're gonna make this thing look pretty. So first I'm gonna give you an overview of what it looks like. We're gonna get these little funky things out of here. I'm actually gonna get new covers for these. I just haven't looked yet. I have to take the measurements, and I'm gonna go on Amazon and see what I can find, and I'll be able to find, I have an idea of something I want, but I'm not sure. I might find something else that I like better. So yeah, these ain't staying, so you're gonna see me toss those. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I was so happy to finally get started with, decorating and dressing up my couch. that once I started, I didn't even know what to put and where. So I played around with it a lot. As you can tell, I'm moving stuff around, I'm replacing things. And even to this day, like I still haven't figured it out. I've taken things off. I actually bought new pillows and put on there. So that is it. This is my final look this day. And I'm so, so happy and proud of the way it looks. I am like extremely excited. I don't even know how to explain it in words, but I'm very happy with my purchase, and the process and the struggles I would say was worth it because I am content and definitely I don't know, ecstatic about my purchase and the fact that I don't have those old brown couches anymore. They're somebody else's mess to deal with now. Thank you all so much for sticking it out and watching my video, for, wanting to be interested in the little bits and pieces that I did get to share of my experience and my rant and, my little crybaby mood that I was in. So yes, this is it. This is what it's looking like. I'm so happy with it. Kyron and I love it. We're just in the breaking it in stage right now. So yes, I'm so excited. But if you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe, then go like and comment, and share this video with someone that might be interested. And then be on the lookout because I will be uploading some more home videos coming up soon. So you'll definitely want to be on the lookout for that.